texture how. So Xander's continuing on the lower brackets, and we do need to take, we're gonna heat these up and actually put a little bend in it to get it exactly how we want it. Because the goal is to get this thing completely in line with the front of that radiator cross member. That means we'll have plenty of room for the radiator, and that'll actually help us here with this fitting here, which I just finished this line off. That extended 90 showed up, and then I had to add just about 5 or 10 degrees more to it, but that fits perfectly now. Now we're waiting for the rest of our fittings. The two up there on the air cleaner are the ones that are going to go to the bulkhead and the firewall. And we have a 90-degree splice, which will go bloop. So it'll be a nice hard splice there in our corner. We have one for each, for number 6 and number 10. So we'll do the 10, splice, 6, splice. And our 6 from here to here is good to go. We've already done it and checked it. So we are getting there. Now we're just waiting on more parts again. So
as usual.
As usual. So Xander's going to mark this. He knows how much of a bend we need to put in it. And we're going to heat her up on the old torcheroo. Get a little bendy. And that'll help us kick the bottom of this condenser out. And that'll be that. Keep it up, sir. It's like taking Viagra. You got to keep it up.
I don't have any issue with that.